Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to confirm system compatibility first. Make sure Windows 11 22H2 or the app's minimum is met. Once done, install a reputable live wallpaper program and grant lock screen access when prompted. Next, pick or convert a short video or animated image to a recommended resolution, for example 1920x 1080, and keep the file size reasonable under 500 MB. You'll begin the configuration in the app. Follow the on-screen import steps to load your media into the Once your file is imported, you'll choose playback options, loop, mute, or allow audio and performance profile. Make sure to explicitly assign the asset to the lock screen profile because many apps default to desktop only. Then adjust quality settings. Pick high for visuals or medium/low and cap FPS at 30 to save resources. While you configure, test with the preview button. Observe CPU and GPU usage to ensure smooth animation without compromising everyday performance. You're almost done. Lock your PC to confirm the animation appears and that audio behaves as expected. If it doesn't show, check app permissions for lock screen access, confirm secure boot or group policies aren't blocking background animations, and rule out antivirus quarantining components. If problems persist, review the app logs, reinstall the display driver, or roll back a recent Windows update that coincided with the issue. Finally, make sure to save a backup of your working configuration for quick recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.